I'm here in Valencia, Bukidnon. I'm promoting the gas hull Wonder Stove. Why Wonder Stove? Because it generates gas comparable to LPG from rice hull. You see that rice hull? It will become gas and it will just produce a very blue flame. So this is our promotional poster and it says here gas hull Wonder Stove. And you can see that picture there of your trolley, and this is saying here, sa gas hull Wonder Stove, na mura na ka LPG nga di mahurot, tipakara sa humay, rice hull. Walay hungaw, walay buto, walay sunog, walay aso. Savings from 1,000 LPG to 100 rice hull per month. Promo sale, 3,200. The regular price is 4,000. The contact is 0915-342-5901, Inventor WZ. Likay sa imitasyon nga gabok, aso, ug illegal. So we are now cooking, demonstrating this by cooking a special cooking of this special food here. You can see this. This is a very delicious frog we are cooking. It's a delicacy here in Mindanao. We eat snakes, we eat frogs, we eat even the anaconda, baksan. So, if I can cook this frog, it means that my gas stove is really a wonder stove.